Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help how to study for Chemistry GCSE. Start by making a clear timetable that fits your week and goals. Focus on core topics, do active recall with flashcards, and practice past papers under timed conditions. Mix theory with practical questions and explain answers aloud to check understanding. Track progress weekly and adjust your plan when needed to stay confident and calm before assessments. Use active techniques like summarizing topics in your own words and making flashcards for formulas and terms. Teach a concept to an imaginary student to reveal gaps and strengthen recall. Practice past papers under timed conditions and mark using official schemes to see exactly what examiners want. Combine spaced repetition with varied question types to build exam resilience and reduce last-minute stress. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more study tips. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresher car on the way to study sessions, because smelling good makes revising slightly more pleasant. I've linked it in the description along with other deals and resources you might like. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Get comfortable with practicals by summarizing methods, hazards, and expected observations for each experiment. Practice calculations frequently, always writing units and checking significant figures. Relate equations to experiments and visualize particles to understand reactions and trends. Use simple diagrams and labeled steps to make procedures memorable, and practice explaining results aloud so practical questions feel straightforward during the exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.